Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Ushtrasana camel pose. This asana stretches your spine. It is good for your neck, shoulders, and also it stretches your abdomen. To practice, from Dandasana, come to Vajrasana position. Come up to kneeling position. Now inhale and raise both the arms one by one and try to catch hold of your heels and stretch yourself backward. Maintain with normal breathing as long as comfortable. Inhale and come up. Exhale and come to Vajrasana position. Slowly release your legs and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.